Ever pondered on the secret to crafting the ultimate macaroni soup? Well, wonder no more. Today, unravel the mystery behind this comforting dish, bringing together the richness of pasta, the warmth of broth, and the freshness of vegetables. Begin this culinary journey by gathering all the ingredients. For the soup, look for 2 cups of uncooked macaroni, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 carrots diced, 2 stalks of celery chopped, 5 cups of chicken broth, and 1 cup of milk. Seasonings include 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, salt, and pepper to taste. Kickstart the cooking process by heating the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, throw in the chopped onion. Sauté until the onion turns translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, introduce the minced garlic, diced carrots, and chopped celery to the pot. Stir them well, allowing the flavors to meld together. Continue to cook for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, the vegetables soften, and the garlic releases its pungent aroma. Time to pour in the chicken broth. Raise the heat to high and bring the broth to a boil. As it bubbles away, add the uncooked macaroni, stirring to ensure that the pasta doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Once the macaroni is fully submerged in the broth, sprinkle in the dried thyme, salt, and pepper. Stir again to distribute the seasonings evenly. Reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer. While the soup is simmering, the macaroni cooks in the broth, absorbing all the flavors. This process takes about 10 to 15 minutes, but do check the macaroni occasionally to ensure it's cooked to your desired softness. Now, pour in the milk, stir gently to combine it with the soup, adding a creamy texture and a slight sweetness that balances the savory broth. And voila, the perfect macaroni soup is ready to be served. This dish is a testament to the magic of simple ingredients coming together to create something truly comforting and delicious. To recap, start by sautéing onion, garlic, carrots, and celery in olive oil. Add chicken broth and bring to a boil before adding macaroni. Season with thyme, salt, and pepper, and let it simmer until the macaroni is cooked. Stir in the milk, and there you have it, a bowl of hearty macaroni soup. Remember, cooking is an art, and like any art, it requires patience and practice. So don't worry if it doesn't turn out perfect the first time. Keep trying, keep tasting, and soon you'll be serving up bowls of this delicious macaroni soup that will make anyone's day a little bit warmer.